Hi, I'm Kei from Korea. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Josa. Well, it can be a bit difficult for you to understand because you don't have this grammar material in English. So, what is Josa and how to use it? Let's see a few examples. You see the red letters, the red letters are 조사. The 가인데 비가 내려요. And 내 친구가 왔다. And 옷이 더러워요. 이 is 조사. And 물을 주세요. 나는 야구를 좋아해. 책을 읽는다. 과일을 먹는다. 쇼핑을 하고 싶어요. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. The 이, 는, 는에서 etc. etc. These are 조사. Alright? English, you can call this postposition or postpositive word. But because you don't have this in English, we better say 조사. 조사. The literal meaning is like a helping word. It helps the word before this word. Well, that's it. So what does a 조사 do? Basically, it connects words. Like, see this. 비가 내려요. 비 means rain. 내려요 means it falls down. The 조사 acts like a bond. It connects 비 and 내려요. Alright? In Korean, without the ga, you can say 비 내려요, but it sounds a bit strange. It's not natural. It's a bit weird. So we always put the ga after 비. So 비가 내려요. 비 plus 내려요. 비가 내려요. And next one, 내 친구가 왔다. It means my friend came. If it's English, you don't need 가. But in Korean, you always need 가. 내 친구가 왔다. Alright? And next one. 나는 학생입니다. I'm a student. And so 나 means student. 나 equal student. So we put 는, the 조사. So it's 나는 학생입니다. Alright? And where does a 조사 come to? It comes after a noun or pronoun or a number. Like this. 옷이 더러워요. The clothes is dirty. 옷, clothes. 더러워요. Dirty is dirty. So in English, that's enough. The clothes is dirty, but in Korean, we need a 조사. 옷 plus 조사 and 더러워요. I mean, the clothes plus 조사 and is dirty. That's a bit strange, but in Korean, we do that. 옷이 더러워요. 나는 쇼핑을 하고 싶어요. I want to go shopping. 나 플러스 조사는 and 쇼핑 플러스 조사을 하고 싶어요. Want to do something. And 두 번째가 더 좋았어요. The second one was better. 두 번째 is number and 가 is 조사. 더 좋았어요 was better. Alright? Well, so sometimes 조사 looks like a parasite. The 조사 cannot live by itself, but it does its role. It tells what the host is. The host is subject or object or complement or a noun which is a part of an adverb phrase. You can tell what the host is by the 조사. So see this. 옷이 더러워요. You can see 옷 is the subject because of the 조사 이. The meaning is the cloth is dirty. 그는 군인이 되었다. He became a soldier. So you can tell 그 is subject because you can see the 조사는 and 군인이 되었다. 군인 is complement because this e makes the complement. And 바깥에 비가 내려. I mean the next sentence. 바깥에 비가 내려요. It rains outside. 바깥에 is like the verb phrase. 에 makes this phrase the verb. So the next 비가 가 makes be a kind of subject. So you can tell 바깥에 is the verb phrase and 비가 is subject phrase subject and 내려 is like predicate. Okay. And then now let's learn the essential josas. You have to know these josas. You must know. Well, because they are very frequently used when you talk in Korean. Well, josa for subject. There are a few. 이 and 가 and 은 and 는. Look at this. 비가 내려요. It rains. 비가. 지금 남친이 오고 있어요. 지금 now 남친 boyfriend and 오고 있어요. Is coming. 이 is the 조사. 이 makes 남친 the subject. And 생명은 소중합니다. Life is precious, right? 생명은 은 is the 조사. It makes 생명 the subject. 그는 키가 커요. He is tall. 그 is the subject. 는 is 조사. Can you tell the difference between 가 and 이 or 은 and 는? Well, the subject word be has no 받침. You still don't know 받침. Maybe you still didn't learn about 받침. Well, let's talk about 받침 later. Anyway, there are these josas for subject. Okay. And there are other must-know josas for the josa for object. 을 and 를. Like this. 점심 식사를 한 후 소풍을 가고 싶어요. I'd like to go picnic after lunch. 너는 공부를 열심히 해야 한다. You must study hard. 목이 마르면 물을 마셔라. Drink water if you're thirsty. 를, 를. These are josas for object. Okay? And the next one, must know josas, the third. The josas for making other verb phrases. Well, it's look at the sentences. 집에 가고 싶어요. 집에. 에 is 조사 and 집에 is the verb phrase. It tells where. It means the location. So it's the verb phrase. And 저는 the next one. 저는 학교에서 공부합니다. 학교에서. 에서 is 조사. 에서. 학교에서 means at school. At school. 에서 tells you the location. 유나는 내일 미국으로 떠나요. 미국으로. 으로 means the direction. And 미국으로 is the verb phrase. So 으로 is also a 조사. And 저는 오늘 서울에서 부산까지 갑니다. 서울에서 and 부산까지 they are josas. They are all josas for the verb phrases. 에서 means from, 까지 means till, alright? And these josas are very important. because we use josas wa, kwa, or rang instead of and in English. Well, we have and in Korean too, but we usually use josa instead of and. Let's see these sentences. 너와 나는 정말 친한 친구야. 너와 나는 정말 친한 친구야. You and I are really good friends. 와 is 조사, and 와 means and. You and I, 와. easy, 와. 나는 라면과 김밥을 먹을래. 과 is the 조사, and the meaning is and, easy. I will have ramen and 김밥. 아빠랑 엄마랑 함께 가고 싶어. I want to go with mom and dad. 랑 is 조사, 랑. We say 랑 two times sometimes. And 우리는 언어와 문화가 다르다. We have different languages and different cultures. 언어 와 is the 조사. It means and. Okay? So you can see the 조사 works like a preposition or the conjunction in English at times. Something like at, to, with, until, from, and, right? So it's very useful to talk in Korean. And there are many josas in Korean, but we learned the most important ones today. So that's it. See you next time.